Good late afternoon on this hot, not very humid, overcast with high, puffy cumulus clouds up in the sky this afternoon after the daytime heating. After we had a gorgeous clear skies today, I've clouded up over nicely with these puffy cumulus nimbus clouds with high wind shear in the upper atmosphere is shearing some of those cumulus nimbus clouds, and you're getting mid and upper level layer stratosphere clouds streaming and whispering through to make for just a gorgeous scenic view on the countryside this afternoon outside of Rivian in central Illinois in the greater Bloomington metropolitan area. It's about 88 degrees, 87 degrees, slightly above seasonably warm, average highs about 82, right? No rain, slight wind out of the west and southwest, about 5 miles an hour, gusting to 8 or 9 miles. It's a beautiful day though. Subscriber wanted me to look at some shit. I don't remember what it was. Some bullshit up here. AMP or some fucking shit. Fuck's it at? Oh, fuck. Fucking kidding me. I'll find it, y'all. Eventually. I don't know where the fuck this stupid coin is. What was it? AMP. Yeah, where the fuck did it go? Come on, TradingView. AMP. Fuck. Oh my god. You can see I've drawn up something for you real quick on this coin. It seems to be in a rising channel, and it's hitting upper resistance right now. You can see in yellow. We'll pull our industry exclusive and YouTube made famous perching tool that all the stock analysts are now using. It's AKA line tool with an arrow, but it's the perching tool now. And we're gonna perch from way up top. And you can see in this rising channel, we had upper resistance once, upper resistance twice, upper resistance 3 times, and we have lower support once. Actually hit it the first time to form the channel back here. Then we had lower support once, whole bunch of it and twice, whole bunch of it 3 times. Now if we zoom in, this is why we always start from the far out time frames to make it super simple and easy to understand how to trade this manipulated market, and simple, easy to understand stops. Now if we zoom in with our pointer tool or our line tool with an arrow, you can see we hit upper resistance that we just went over in this rising channel, and this is what I think is going to happen over the next few weeks. We're going to start bouncing down. You can see the volume. In the 3 hour, it pumped a little bit down, but if I was to scroll back out to the weekly, the volume's actually falling and crashing from what it was. And I think we're going to start trading and hitting upper resistance. And I think we're forming a head and shoulders topping reversal pattern in the 3 hour time frame. And I think what we got going on here is that's your left shoulder, right? This is your head that just formed and it is still forming. And then your right shoulder is going to form out in there. See what I'm saying? That's what I think you got going on, right? Let's pull back out our industry exclusive and company made famous perching tool, and we're gonna perch from the overhead resistance now. See that? The head, the left shoulder's already formed beautifully. The head just peaked out at the very top of the head, and now it's coming down to complete the formation of the head. So it should come down near this 200-day 50-day or 100-day in blue and red respectively in the next few days, and then you should get a pretty big bounce where the neckline is, which is right here. We'll put the neckline in for you now, right there to here. So now there's your neckline right there, right? So I think that's what you're doing. You're forming the top of the neck. You just peaked at the top of the neckline, or the top of the neck, the head, not the neck, the top of the head. You just peaked out at just over 0.0. You might have made it to 0.1, right, at 10 cents. But now you're going to come back down to about 5 cents, and then you're going to come much, much lower as this head and shoulders 3-hour time frame topping reversal pattern. And I think you're going to come down to 0.36 in the next few weeks in this coin and amp. That's what I think you're doing. We'll do a couple more down here. XDC, same thing. You're down here and you're getting topped out like we thought you would. I had this watch, remember, right here in that white circle. I'll pull my industry exclusive perching tool back out. Right here, remember, we're gonna perch from up here. We put that circle out right now because that down sloping in blue was up major upper resistance, and we said watch out right now. And you can see even in there we showed how you could crash and down, and then in yellow a longer term one. And now we're starting to top out, and you're probably going to start trading down along this and then back down to here. And then just like the yellow track shows, is probably what you're going to be doing in XDC. We'll just scroll up. Litecoin, we'll just do some brief updates. See, we're forming kind of a head and shoulders pattern up here too. Not sort of. You got a left shoulder there, but this is more likely in the 2-hour time frame. Probably be able to see it better. Yeah, there's a left shoulder there. You're forming the head. You're probably going to trade back down here to 165 in Litecoin and bounce, and then dip back down south. I think you're going to start coming lower in Litecoin. And then Dogecoin we'll wrap it out with. Dogecoin's the same thing. We think you're going to start trading down here and then down. I think you're eventually coming to 31, and then eventually you're coming to 29, and then eventually you're coming down to 20 cents. I think you're going to be trading in an up and down fashion down to 20 cents in Dogecoin in the next few days to weeks. Like, subscribe, and share. I'm not a financial advisor, nor do I play on my own radio show. This is strictly educational and entertainment only. I cannot recommend stocks, securities, commodities, or crypto, anything else. This is strictly my own personal opinion and beliefs on what I am doing in the market. Vincenzo'S Gold Crypto Investing. Peace and love. Peace and love. Peace and love.